My name is Anya, and today we want to make some Rice Krispie treat monsters. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a pot, melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 1 packet of marshmallows, about 400 grams. Once the marshmallows have melted slightly, add 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Mix until well combined. Pour out into a container. With a spoon spread with non-sticking spray, spread out the Rice Krispie treats. Allow to set for 2 to 4 hours. Melt white chocolate and make dots on a piece of parchment paper. Melt some milk chocolate and put small dots in the center of the white dots. Allow to set. Cut Rice Krispies into bars. Melt some white chocolate and color with gel food coloring. I went with green and orange. You can make any designs on the bars. Once you're happy with how they are, you can add your chocolate eyes. And ta-da! You have Rice Krispie monsters, perfect for Halloween.